Hi everybody, we are reviewing today, or opening and unboxing today, a KEDSUM 3D virtual reality glasses. These are compatible with your smartphone, Android. You guys may remember I previously received one of these that didn't have a head strap, and I thought that was really important for this product. Otherwise you've got to keep your hand up on it the whole time, and that can get kind of annoying. So this one here has a head strap. Now the box did appear as though it was a little beat up. You know, when it came in the Amazon Prime box, it was basically a perfect fit. So I'm thinking this was probably dropped in the warehouse or somewhere between the manufacturer to Amazon, and it got crushed that way. Or it could have been, you know, they could have packed too many of them on the pallet, and it just weighed too much, and this one was at the bottom. So inside we've got a microfiber cleaning cloth. Couple little pieces of some type, maybe it's some double-sided stick tape or something like that. We've got some instructions, and nobody reads instructions. We're just going to open this thing right up. So after you take the package off, this is plastic. It's a lot better than the cardboard version that I had picked up the other day. We've also got a nice head strap, and it is adjustable. Yeah, on the inside you've got Velcro. Ooh, this is that ultra fine Velcro. So this is the kind that like it's not typical Velcro. It doesn't stick out. It basically feels like it's flat, but just like a piece of very fine sandpaper. And the same thing, this doesn't feel like Velcro cloth. It feels like I don't know, some kind of velour or suede or something like that. The headset also has a pad. That's going to be nice. And then a little indented area for your nose. And then inside you can see you've got your two lenses. Opening it up looks pretty easy. Yep, you just pull that open. And here you've got hard foam, probably to protect your phone. Not sure what. Oh, this is going to be your mount where you actually put your phone. And then you can see the inside where you've got your lenses as well. So this is going to be a lot more high quality. Oh, and then there you can change the distance of the lenses too. So interesting. So this is going to be a lot more high quality than the Google Cardboard version. Let me grab my phone here. Whoa. Alright, so in this case we have a, this is a Droid Max 2. So this is a pretty large phone. It does not appear as though this phone will fit. Kind of tough to get this in. Oh, we're going to make it fit. It's going to fit. I'm probably just dumb and putting this on the wrong way, by the way. Whoa! Oh, shot out there. Would have been the right way to put it on. Alright, so this is difficult to get in. Let's take a look at another phone. Here's a Galaxy Note 3 with a bumper case on it. No way that that's going in. It won't even fit inside the case. So let's try this here. We got a Droid Max 1. This one's a little bit smaller than the Droid Max there. And that fits just fine. Doesn't seem as though this part is going to go over the top at all. I'm not sure if that's going to be a big deal. Oh, and this is magnetic right here. This seals magnetically. So that's kind of neat. And then actually putting it on, it fits on great. And you can adjust the lenses and stuff really easily. However, it's locked in some way. Whoa. And you can take this off and you can actually still, and this is held on magnetically, you can actually use the camera still. So that's kind of neat. There you go. I'm going to have to definitely trial this out. I'm going to have to download the app for this phone because I don't have it on this one. I have it on the other two. So we're going to try this out and see what it does. So far it looks like it fits pretty cool, definitely more comfortable, and I do have a little controller now as well So I'm going to get that out and try to combine the two and see if I have a little more fun with the VR reality glasses here. So any questions, comments, make sure to ask. I did get this product for free in exchange for the review, and look forward to having a little bit better of a write-up for you after I've had a chance to trial it and use it and give you an idea of some of the features and how it works. So, all right, thank you.